Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Barbie Treehouse is probably one of the most enchanting and imaginative playsets to hit the market, offering a whimsical escape into a world of fantasy and adventure for children and collectors alike. With its vibrant colors, detailed accessories, and iconic Barbie charm, it promises hours of creative storytelling and magical moments, making it a standout addition to any toy collection and a perfect gift for sparking joy and wonder. Number 5. Barbie Club Chelsea Toy Car and Camper Playset. Get ready for endless adventures with this amazing toy car and camper playset. It's perfect for sparking your child's imagination and creating fun stories. Hitch the camper to the car, place the doll in the driver's seat, and let the journey begin. It's easy to get rolling and explore new places. Unhitch the camper and transform it into a cozy campsite in an instant. Unlatch the hook and open it up to reveal a delightful camping scene. Gather around the campfire with fun accessories like a guitar and marshmallows. It's perfect for singing songs and telling exciting stories. With 2 bunk beds and a ladder, sweet dreams are guaranteed on every adventure. It's designed for comfortable and fun sleepovers. Whip up delicious pretend meals in the kitchen, complete with a sink, oven, and fridge. The opening door and play food add to the realistic fun. Even the puppy can join the fun with its own special doggy door. This playset includes everything needed for a complete camping experience. What we like? This toy offers a complete camping experience with its transforming camper and included puppy. It's perfect for kids who love imaginative play and storytelling. If you're looking for a set that provides a rich, immersive camping adventure right out of the box, this is the one. What people say? The camper rolls as you pull the car, so she likes that. All of the accessories fit inside the camper for storage. The trailer hitches to the little car that tows it, and all of the stickers to place on it and the accessories are adorable. Little s'more roasting sticks and a fire pit, the little curtains over the sink. The Chelsea dolls are so much easier for smaller hands to play with than the larger Barbie dolls. The camper set is going to really make her happy because she can use her imagination to have adventures. She likes to play with her kitchen set and loves cars. She will be able to take her Chelsea doll for a ride with or without the camper, open up the camper and have Chelsea take a nap, play in the little kitchen, and even has a little puppy to name and include in the fun. Number 4. Barbie 3-in-1 DreamCamper Vehicle. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing transforming vehicle. It's packed with surprises and ready for any adventure you can imagine. This incredible toy transforms into 3 different vehicles, a camper, a boat, and a pickup truck. Explore the land and the water with ease. Discover multiple play areas, from a cozy living room to a rooftop bedroom and a fun kitchen. There's even a patio with a pool for ultimate relaxation. Storytelling comes alive with exciting transformations. Unlatch it to reveal a boat and truck, flip the table for a fire pit, and pop up the roof for a loft bed. With over 60 accessories, every adventure is unique. It includes everything you need for camping stories, from fishing gear to s'more supplies. Perfect for adventurers aged 3 to 7, this toy encourages exploration and storytelling. Bring your travel dreams to life and create unforgettable journeys. What we like? This offers incredible versatility with 3 distinct vehicles and over 60 accessories for endless adventures. It's ideal for children who enjoy dynamic play and exploring different scenarios. If you want a toy that transforms and offers a wide range of play possibilities, including a pool and boat, this is an excellent choice. What people say? You get a lot of different things: the boat, car, the camper, the pool. Very entertaining. With its spaces, accessories, and versatility, it can keep their interest for a long time, fostering creativity, imaginative play, cooperation if playing with siblings or friends, and constant fun. It is very sturdy and way bigger than I originally thought. It's a great toy to play with and it can hold up to 4 Barbies. Number 3. Tiny Land Wooden Dollhouse. Spark your child's imagination with this modern dollhouse. It encourages creative play, storytelling, and problem-solving skills. This 3-story dollhouse features 6 rooms and 31 pieces of modern furniture. It's designed for endless creativity and role-playing adventures. Each of the 6 rooms comes with its own set of furniture. Your child can arrange and redesign them, fostering hands-on exploration and decision-making. Crafted from high-quality, sustainable wood, this dollhouse is built for durability. Its smooth edges and stable construction ensure a safe play environment. With stylish wallpapers and realistic home details like staircases, it creates an engaging environment. This helps keep children entertained for longer. This dollhouse is a beautiful and meaningful gift for any occasion. It's thoughtfully designed to be both fun and educational for children. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year quality guarantee. What we like. This dollhouse provides a detailed and realistic home environment with 6 furnished rooms and 31 accessories. It's designed to foster creativity and problem-solving skills through open-ended pretend play. If you appreciate sturdy, durable toys with a focus on interior design and role-playing, this wooden dollhouse is a fantastic option. What people say. It was easy to assemble, though I had the best luck using a power drill on the lowest setting. The furniture is adorable. Such an adorable wooden dollhouse. Great quality, good structure, spacious and doesn't take up too much space. This dollhouse is absolutely charming and has been a huge hit with my child. The design is bright and inviting, with multiple rooms and plenty of accessories to spark imaginative play. It's spacious enough for dolls and comes with a generous set of furniture. Number 2. Ecore Fun Doll Clothes Swimwear Beach Bathing Kit. Get ready for a summer adventure with this amazing beach and swimwear kit. It's packed with everything your dolls need for a day by the water. This set features 10 unique bikini swimsuits in random styles, ensuring your dolls always have a fashionable choice. They are designed for easy dressing with elastic and Velcro closures. Complete the look with 4 pairs of fashion glasses and 10 pairs of stylish shoes. Plus, a cool surf skateboard adds an extra element of fun to their beach day. Designed to perfectly fit 11.5-inch dolls, these outfits are made with high-quality, elastic materials for a comfortable and secure fit. Beyond the swimwear and accessories, you'll also receive 2 swimming rings and 8 additional doll accessories to enhance playtime. Please note that dolls are not included. Looking for the perfect gift? This comprehensive kit makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Bring joy and laughter to your child's playtime. What we like. This set offers a fantastic collection of swimwear and beach accessories for dolls. It's perfect for kids who love to dress up their dolls for vacation or beach play. If your child enjoys creating fashion shows or summer-themed scenarios for their dolls, this accessory kit will add a lot of fun. What people say. The variety is astounding, with 10 different bikini swimsuits to choose from. They're well made and designed to fit a variety of doll sizes perfectly. It includes a range of beach accessories like sunglasses, hats, and even miniature floaties. Number 1. Barbie Treehouse. Get ready for adventure with Chelsea doll, her puppy, and their amazing treehouse play set. It's packed with 5 fun zones for endless imaginative play. This treehouse is designed for play from all sides. The sides open and close to expand the fun, and the front door opens and closes for easy access. Discover exciting features inside, like a slide that flips down and a window perfect for stargazing with the included telescope. There's so much to explore. Chelsea doll is ready for fun in her colorful outfit, complete with a removable skirt and stylish shoes. Her adorable puppy is right by her side. Collect all the Chelsea dolls and accessories to create even more stories and adventures. The possibilities for play are limitless. What we like. This treehouse play set is packed with 5 distinct play zones, encouraging active and imaginative fun. Its adaptable design allows for expanded play from all angles. If you're looking for a compact yet engaging play set that offers a variety of activities like dress-up, sliding, and swinging, this is a great choice for Chelsea and her puppy. What people say. It folds up compactly and securely, and the chairs and table fit inside when folded up. The slide is attached and folds up for storage and folds down for play. The swing stays put nicely, but I am glad it is a sturdy swing and slide, especially compared to the prior set that fell apart just looking at it the wrong way. It's a very cute set. The majority is already together in the box. Just a couple pieces to pop in place. It was simple to put together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.